Let's see if they can figure it out this time around. For your Money Wednesday, if you own a home, you probably have considered refinancing your mortgage. Most people do it when the rates are falling. Even though rates have increased slightly, our money expert, Forum's Andy Manningly, is saying you might still want to refinance right now. So Andy's here to talk about reasons why you still might want to consider refinancing your home. So, all right, is there a scenario when you can still lower your mortgage payment and refinance right now?
Yeah, so even if you've got a pretty low a mortgage rate, especially if it's a 30-year one, if you decide that you can maybe make a little bit higher payment, you might go to a 10 or 15-year rate. Those are usually lower even than what the lowest 30-year was. So you can lower your rate, pay your home off faster, so that's a good move.
All right, so what's another reason that you might want to refinance with today's rates that we're seeing?
Well, maybe you're in an adjustable rate mortgage and you have a fixed period of time, maybe 5-7 years that it stays fixed, then it's going to start going up. Well, if you're getting towards the end of that, now might be a good time to refinance before rates start going up and you can lock in your payment, because the big thing with adjustable rate mortgages is when those rates go up, your payments go up.
So was this a case where in the last few years people were unable to refinance?
Yeah, there were some people that maybe weren't able to refinance because their home didn't have the value because the home price is falling down, or maybe their income was cut, or they had too much debt and they didn't qualify. You should go back and look now, because if you've improved your financial situation, you might be able to qualify now for that mortgage that you couldn't to refinance.
So what are a couple reasons people should consider refinancing right now?
Well, a couple of other reasons to consider is if you have other debts that you want to pay off, or you're getting ready to do something to your home that's going to require a lot of money. A lot of times people just jump to the home equity loan, but if you think about a cash out refinance, you can get the money you need to do those things and lower your rate all the way across, because mortgage loans are always less expensive than a home equity loan.
Oh. So, okay, what makes a cash out refinance a good option beyond the reasons
Well,
you just gave?
besides that is then you just have one payment. So when you have a home equity and mortgage, you're going to have two payments. Those are usually going to be a lot more than if you just have a mortgage payment. So that kind of helps you with your cash flow and able to pay off those other debts as you need to.
And just in case I missed it, does a mortgage refinance have higher costs than a home equity loan?
Yeah, it can have higher upfront costs because you've got a little bit more with closing costs and full appraisals and things that you have to do over a home equity.
All right. Well, thanks so much as always. Very
okay.
illuminary. Does that work? He illuminates.